These folks got their hit his shit. No cap.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Wavy Richie back at again, Richie. 2 times, you feel me? Back at it again with another bang. Today we got. Hold on, first let me start off with this. I want to giveaway at like point blank, and so I'm doing a review on this giveaway that I won. Shout out to my boy 720 Drew. You gonna see his name on this video. You'll see like a picture of him too. He came clutch a $20 brush. You think I'm about to? I ain't gonna say I wouldn't buy it, but that's a band to me. Money any day of the week. You feel me? So I'm about to show y'all what. Now I got that mug in the mail. Man, I'm like, damn, oh my god. I'm about to die. Goddamn. Look. What this? I want you to see. Shine in time. Yes, sir. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that. Glory. Oh my god. I'm gonna do a brush review part of this video, you feel me? So look at that. Shine in time. Yes, sir. I'm about to talk about this brush right now. This brush, it's a curved brush. Yeah, I'll say, yeah, it said medium to soft, and it's curved. Like, I like how some of the brushes, they're like paint some of this stuff on there. This is engraved, so you don't gotta worry about it. Like, putting the session in or putting that shit in the work in. You feel me? Bow! Oh! It's gone. You like, you gonna have to boo-boo fix it. You feel me? And so I was like, oh my god, bro. When that mug came in the mail, I was so hyped. I was like, posting my boy 720 Drew on my Insta, IG. Y'all don't know what my IG is. It's bam right there. You feel me? All right, let's talk about this brush a little bit more though. See, like the structure of this brush. Oh my god, you must not know. This is, and like I brushed with it one time, and when I did that one time, I'm like, oh my, like it had so much pull. I'm like, none of the brushes really nowadays got pull like this, like a medium to soft, and they pulled my hair like that. I'm like, dang. So I had got session in with it a little bit, went all around. This mug like, oh my god. Oh, plus I'm gonna show y'all a session in this video. You feel me? I'm really tired. I feel like making this video really. I promised my boy I was gonna make this video, this review. Richie 2 times. You feel me? So I'ma see y'all in the next room. My bad. The room with, well, that's like the spot. That's the hookup when I get to work. You feel me? So I'ma see y'all in that joint. I ain't gonna be talking either. So y'all just gonna see me brushing. Hey, we gonna be lit though.